Did you just accidentally format your SD card and lose all your priceless photos, videos, or important documents? Don't panic and definitely stop using that card immediately, because in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to get your files back using Wondershare Recoverit in 2026. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We've all been there. One wrong click and a formatted SD card makes it look like all your data is gone forever. But the files are actually often still there, just hidden. That is where Wondershare Recoverit comes in. It's an AI-powered data recovery tool available for both Windows and Mac that specializes in scenarios just like this. Using it is incredibly simple. First, you'll want to head over to the official Wondershare Recoverit website and download the software. They offer a free download so you can test it out. Once you have it installed, connect your formatted SD card to your computer using a card reader. Open up Recoverit, and right on the main dashboard, you'll see a list of available drives. Under the External Devices section, simply select your SD card. Once you click Start, Recoverit's scanning engine goes to work. It deep scans the formatted card, looking for remnants of your lost photos, videos, and documents. While we don't have a list of external user reviews to go over today, the software itself is built to support a massive range of file formats and specific scenarios like formatted data recovery. As the scan runs, you'll actually see files starting to populate on your screen in real time. The best part is the preview feature. Before you save anything, you can double-click on images or videos to make sure they are intact and fully recoverable. Once the scan is complete, just check the boxes next to the files you want to save, click the Recover button, and choose a safe location on your computer's hard drive, not the SD card, to save them. It is really that straightforward. If you want to see if your files are still salvageable, click the link in the description below to download Recoverit for free and run a quick scan. If this tutorial helped you rescue your data, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Thanks for watching, and happy recovery!